Hi everyone, today we're doing the 6th grade lesson 13 worksheet. So number 1 is asking which of the following is equal to the problem 24 plus 36. So I'm just going to grab the first answer right here and then I'm going to solve it. And to solve this you want to distribute the number that's in front of the parentheses throughout the numbers in the parentheses. So you would do 12 times 2, which is 24, plus, since 12 times 3 is just plus 36, not minus 36, and that gives us our answer, so that means it's A. Number 2 is asking which of the following is equal to the problem 5 times 2 minus 3. So I'm just going to write that problem again. And same thing as last time, you want to make sure that you're distributing the number that's in front of the parentheses to each of the numbers in the parentheses. So you would do 5 times 2x, which is 10x, and 5 times negative 3. And since there's a negative sign in front of the 3 and a positive sign in front of the 5, we know that it's going to be negative, because negative times a positive is just going to be negative. So it'd be minus 15, and that would give us 4. Number 3 is asking which of the following is equal to the problem 42x minus 36. And once again, I can just grab the first answer to try out, but we can look at the other answers and just eliminate all of the options that are just probably not possible, like 6 times 42. Obviously 6 times 42x is not going to give us 42x. Same thing here, 36 times 42x isn't going to give us 42x. So we can just eliminate those two really quickly before just like using our time on trying to solve them. So 6 times 7x minus 6, we want to distribute that. So that's going to give us 6 times 7x, which we know is 42x. And once again, there is a minus in front of the 6 here, so that's going to give us minus 36, and that's our answer here, so our answer is A. Number 4 is asking which of the following is equal to the problem 3 times 8 plus 5. Now we can write that again. So 3 times 8 plus 5. Here, it actually doesn't really matter which one you do first, because you're always just going to get the same answer. So you could distribute, which would get you 24 plus 15, and that would be C. But you could also do 8 plus 5, which would give you 13, and then 3 times 13, 3 times 13, and that's going to give you the same answer as this. But in this like scenario, they want you to distribute because it's going to give you the two numbers that add up into here. And for number 5, the question is there are 36 daisies and 48 orchids. What is the greatest number of identical bouquets of daisies and orchids with no flowers left over? So first thing we want to do is just highlight the important numbers and words that we just want to keep in mind and that are going to help us understand the question more. And it says, what is the greatest number of identical bouquets of daisies and orchids? And it says no flowers left over, which would mean that we want to do the greater number, which is the orchids, minus the daisies. And since it says no flowers left over, that's how we know it's going to be minus. And that's just going to give us 12, so the answer is B. There are 70 peaches, or 90 peaches, and 75 apricots. What is the greatest number of identical packs of peaches and apricots with no fruit left over? So once again, just like the last question, we can do 90 minus 75, and that's going to give us 15. So that would be C. And that's it for the grade 6 lesson 13 worksheet today. Thank you for watching. Bye.